G'day folks, Jasco here. So what we got today is we've got a coolant issue. I've got a bit of coolant loss, but it's really gradual, like maybe really small drops over 2 weeks, but I know it's nonetheless been decreasing. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to pressurize the system. We can pressurize it. Once we pressurize it, we're going to see where it's leaking from. Okay, so the first thing to do when trying to pressurize is seeing how much you pressurize it to. So you always look, you can see in your coolant cap, or if it's not on the coolant cap, we can have a look on our manual for the car. So in this case, we've got 16 psi or 110 kPa. We're going to use this device here, okay, to pump up the pressure. We're going to see where it's leaking. All right. So you just undo your cap like that, okay. Do not undo it when it's under pressure. So it's not under pressure here, it's not going to spew out, because you can get burnt and suffer serious injuries if it's under pressure and the coolant comes out. So undo the cap. All right, here's our special matching piece. Okay, screw that in tightly. Put the other piece on. Okay, hook it in, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pump this up to 15 psi, okay? Okay folks, so do not go over 15 psi. What I've done is I've pumped up the pressure. See, that's definitely under pressure now. It's what it should be. Now we're just going to have a look for leaks. So look at all the hose connections. We actually have a tiny pink stain there, but that could be dried from before. Okay, in any case, I could replace those ones if this is the case. Okay, so again, that's dried from before. That's not a current leak. Okay, there's our heater hoses. They look to be all right. They're not wet. Okay, let's have a look at the radiator hoses. Okay. Look underneath. Look carefully. All right, they look all right. Here's down here where the engine is and the gasket. And again, it looks nice and dry down here. Okay, there's some of the coolant hoses. Again, looks good down there. Okay, there's the hoses for the IRD. Alright, that looks good. Okay, this is our junction. Over here, there's our thermostat. Let's have a look at our thermostat. Okay, looks good down there. That's our radiator hose. Here's our thermostat. Okay, looks good here. Here's our junction here. That's all that goes into the engine. Okay, looks good there as well. Okay. I found a leak. So folks, I found the leak is over here. It's leaking out of a hose in the upper junction. I want to try to show you where it is. If you can see, there it is right there. See that? Okay. So what I would do is look to replace that hose to fix the leak. Okay.